An Arab prince. Go back to Earth. Video mo ning jaw.
Drink your water, bitch.
Good morning, guys. So it's Sunday. Time check. It's already 9 after 9 a.m. So actually wala na kami naka-vlog at a later time gahapon, mga hapon. Okay. We're having fun na lang. And karon ng matamig around 6 a.m. 6:30 a.m. and we had our breakfast, and karon nami sa Buhurak because today is Sunday and we're gonna have
Happy Father's Day leave.
Yeah, Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Mag-tour me within Camotes.
Hey guys,
And I don't know what's the next itinerary, but the first one is here sa Buhurak. So check it out, guys. So this is Buhurak.
what's up mga besh, mga bay? We're here at Buhurak Rock, and entrance fee is like 20 pesos, so it's kinda cheap. Let's go. Motor vehicles are not allowed.
Oh, mayuhan niya mabasa, oy.
So ang kaning siya, ang guest house pa dong dito. Ang swimming pool ganito pa dong dito, ang swimming pool.
Sige, explain.
Diving, so straight lang ba? Ang beach area dito. Restrooms.
Hoy, kasi mag-cliff diving mo ato sa
Training center.
mag-cliff diving mo sa taas. Hey guys, yeah, first time din ako pag-ari sa Buhurak.
Hi guys,
So, naidaghang amenities actually. So I think ang pinaka-kuan nila is kining cliff diving, no? Mo na yung pinaka-highlight spot diri sa Buhurak, ang ilang cliff diving. Nasa sila yung pool, and then look at that.
You go and can't without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
Hi guys, I'm taking over na Neil's role. Bale, nahuman na may ambak-ambak dito sa Buhurak. We're going to our next destination, but we don't know where.
What's up, bro? What's up, motherfucker?
Naramong fuckboy ng amigo.
Fuck no.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Leaf.
I'm calling from Picnic
I'm
Hell.
calling from Picnic Hell. I was just taking that as a record request for mutual patient Neil Amarante. Is he still alive? Still breathing?
What is up again, guys? Na namin sa second itinerary, which is ang Lake Danau Park. Kita mo, ani? Ay, sorry.
Oh, no, not me.
Lake Danau. Animal. So, what's up, Feb? Asa ba ta karon?
Okay guys, we're here at Lake Danau. So it's a lake.
It's a lake and there are some swans and another lake.
Tadaan! Lake Danau. park. Oh yeah. So mo na siya second place nga mong diere and tanawa. Obviously it's a lake and there are some activities I think sa lake. Sa isang kag-spot, pag makabangka ka and then nadiri mga life jackets. And then it's like a garden over here. Again guys, namin diri sa Camotes.
One eternity later.
Hey bro, you're good now?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm back
good.
from the dead earlier. I'm about to die, but luckily I felt
dizzy.
that God is embracing me. But then,
how was your experience during the jump?
oh my God, I was like heaven. I feel like I was ready.
You're almost in heaven.
Yeah, almost in heaven. I thank God that He kicked me.
Go back
to Earth. Go back to Earth
And multiply.
Go back to Earth and to multiple girls.
Yeah.
So that's it. I'll just show you later on the view really. Bye for now. So here we are again and right now mag-lunch may diri sa Lake Danau Park. And yes, isa sa mga kuyog na mo karon kay Naay Kaila Dire, which is working from the government office.
Friends with the mayor.
Oh, friends with the mayor. Friends with the mayor. Masama na siya. Di ba, Jess? We're so fortunate kay dito mga on sa yacht while traveling over the lake.
That's the power of connections.
That's the power of connections. So mga tumig sa islet. So that's a small island. And there are some activities. So ay, nawala na ako.
You go and can't without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
Hello again guys. So we just had our dinner dito sa boat. And then you know what, as I mentioned earlier, nakamit din sa Osaka Island. And dili ni siya dagat, it's a lake. Tapo ni siya nga lake din. It's still part of the Lake Danau Park. I think it's my first time going to Osaka Island. I don't know what's our next trip, next itinerary, but I'll let you know. Bye for now.
I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. What are you doing here? Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come out with you.
So guys, we just had our lunch and dito migigan sa katong small island. I'm with Tiffany, Akins. Say hi.
Hi.
And Chloe.
And Yusuf.
And Yusuf. Hi Yusuf.
Back to Neil.
Back to me. Thank you by the way Yusuf for this thing. Mayor Yusuf. So that's it guys. This is Lake Danau Park and we just had fun. And naadyo mga pakita mo sa pictorial ka unexpected, but yeah, we're really having fun dito sa island. Even if kadiyo kami nag-spend dito, we're going back to the main island again And I think mo diretso na mi sa katong cave. Basta ang next stop na mo is mato mi sa katong cave daw. I'll just inform you later on kung asa tong cave. Pero sa inima tong cave. So bye for now guys. Napami diri sa boat. And yeah, we're having fun. And bye for now.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so this is our third stop, which is ang Heaven Cove. So hi guys, namin dito sa Heaven's Cove and then di ka lang ko dito ni Sud. Hindi namin muna sa padong makita to si Ma'am Mary na rock formation. So, magkilala mo ta guys because this is sacred. And masuong dapat para sa hello guys, ako po dili na siya waterproof. Bala ko nagdala-dala dili sa somewhere sa Seoul. Ayaw pag-ano. Hi sabi. Kila is live on ni Gail. Go Gail. Kaya mo yan. Kila is live. Hello guys, so this will be our fourth stop here in Camotes Island. So, naami diri karon sa Paraiso Cave. Paraiso Cave is still part of San Francisco na.
Paraiso!
Paraiso Cave. So this will be the final stop.
One eternity later.
Currently na namin diri sa port. Ano sa nga port?
Consuelo, I guess.
Consuelo Port.
I guess.
You guess? Okay. So nadata sa Consuelo Port and I'm with again Leaf and Feb. So this is the final hour. Magpa-Hawaii kay tomorrow is another day. First day of the week na sad. Mangwarta.
Trabaho na sa mi, magkudkod na mi.
Ay, naputan na me.
Kwarta diri.
It's good, it's good. It's a nice experience, you know.
Well, anyway guys, I'm going just to end this vlog right now. See you soon. Bye.
don't know. I'm fine without you.